you doing? Can I see it? Oh, that's cool.
In the mall.
Let's go. To scan an app called Peduli Lindungi. Look at this.
Too small.
This is too small. This is for baby. But how about this? Uh-huh. What are you looking for? But I think that you like the princesses. No? Do you want to see around? What's that? Ah, the squishy, which one that you like?
This one and this one.
That's cute.
There's a unicorn.
Maybe we can ask if they have casing for your iPad.
Mine's broken.
It's okay. We can buy the new one. Which one? Oh, that one. You already have one, right? Yeah, that's slime.
No.
What?
I love slime.
You love slime? Hello, Mr. Tutu.
Well, this is a long time of pillar.
Uh-huh.
Has this.
Like, same thing?
Yeah.
Oh.
There's a big stuffed animal.
What's that?
There's a random student for here.
I'm wondering why they have it.
Yeah, it's so random.
What's that? Done?
Now we're in the bathroom.
Yeah, I think the bedroom it looks nice. Do you know that one? That one is wayang. atau wayang? It's a puppet, yeah. Oh, fancy, fancy. Okay. Okay. Wait. Done? Oh, you need to dry your hand. It's okay. You need to be brave. Yeah. Uh-oh. It's not working? Oh no. Well, we can use tissue. I think it's called nursing room. Okay.
It's only.
The door is heavy?
Here's the same. There's a couch here.
Yeah.
There's a baby sanitizer.
Uh-huh. It's empty.
I think that's all in here.
Okay.
It's pretty tight.
Pretty tight, yeah.
Let's see the toy.
Okay, let's go. That is new, LOL? Think so? It says new arrival. It's new.
And I get another of this again.
What's that?
This.
Oh, the one that I bought for you in your birthday?
Yeah. Let's see. There's a clothes back here.
Okay. Do you want to go there? I think it's for baby. Oh, no, no, no. That's Oscar. So that's for your size as well. Are you looking for swimsuit? There's swimsuit.
We're not supposed to be here.
Why? This is cute. The swimsuit.
Oh, I kind of like this one.
Yeah. You need a new one for swimming.
And then this one. Wait, it's 8. This one
Yeah, it's your size, right?
is 3 too.
Oh, look at this sparkly dress. You don't want it? You don't like it? Looks pretty. Or maybe jeans, new jeans. The legging looks beautiful. Really? Where do you want to go? Over there. Okay. This is the entrance. Okay. Yeah, we need to buy it first. There you go. What's that? You want that one? Okay. I think you need to push the button, start button. Woohoo! Oh, you need to. What do you need to do, Miska? You need to push it. Ah, I see. Yeah. You're right. Go, Miska, go. Yay! You like it? Ah, you need 2 persons. Okay. Okay. What's that? That is zombie. You want to play dance with me? This one dance.